How does commercial law address negotiable instruments? Breaking news for business professionals. The question on many minds today is, how does commercial law address negotiable instruments? With recent changes in the market, understanding this topic is more important than ever. If you are involved in business transactions, you may be searching for clarity on how these instruments function. Let's break it down. Commercial law defines negotiable instruments as documents that promise or order the payment of a specific sum of money. They must be signed by the issuer and can be payable on demand or at a set time. Common examples include promissory notes, checks, and bills of exchange. The law clearly outlines the characteristics that make an instrument negotiable. This includes the requirement for an unconditional promise to pay a fixed amount. Such clarity helps ensure that these instruments can be transferred and enforced without confusion. Transferability is another key aspect. Commercial law dictates how these instruments can be passed from one party to another, often through endorsement and delivery. Different types of endorsements come with specific rights and responsibilities, allowing negotiable instruments to circulate freely in commerce. When it comes to enforcement, commercial law provides mechanisms for holders of these instruments to seek payment. Courts often recognize negotiable instruments as valid evidence, allowing for expedited legal processes to recover owed sums. This reflects their importance in facilitating business transactions. In the United States, the Uniform Commercial Code Article 3 governs negotiable instruments. This sets uniform rules for their creation, transfer, and enforcement. Other regions may rely on similar statutes, such as the Negotiable Instruments Act of 1881, which also establishes a legal framework. Additionally, commercial law protects holders in due course. This means that individuals who acquire negotiable instruments in good faith, without knowledge of defects, enjoy certain rights. These rights can override previous claims, promoting trust in commercial dealings. In summary, commercial law treats negotiable instruments as standardized documents that facilitate payments and credit in business. With clear rules on their validity, transfer, and enforcement, the law aims to reduce disputes and promote economic activity. Understanding these elements is essential for anyone involved in business transactions today.